Come on. So today we're going to take a look at our lab facility here at Ideal Tridon. We'll check out all of our test equipment and hopefully catch an engineer or two checking the sizing clamps.
The real value of having a lab is we're not just a 1-800 clamp company. But a lot of our applications are customers looking to us for answers, for problem solving, how to make the right choice. We have ways to simulate just about any engine condition, any plumbing condition, and that way we can help educate the customer to make the right selection.